UMNA Umsning Dr. Celestin Langdo la pensamrke ya dikot king do bathau an mentaksngi habal wanra ya Kyntien ki jingmut kat baudang simenta ha jing yatai hal got motion kabiadai ba jing pulut ya jing don kam jong CM secretariat haba simenta ha jing yatai Dr. Celestin wa wanra ya jing kran uai breu ha ko gi jelang ke bala penkela ya Kyntien baro obreu bastat mano bala banlen hendai klem da play Klat kumno unlai ban klan hak ba utau obreu penkela da baong baro obreu bastat mano bala banlen klem da yo siklat kumno unlai ban klan Usama nak ni kapol ba Roni Wilengdo lap tha UMA ka musning man Batai ya kijingmut jang kan ni ka siklat bat kumta UMA ka musning la Batai ban ya kan ni kijingmut ka bawan ra apok ing ro thawa
Take it as development, some take it otherwise. When we look at the demand and the budget as a whole, the Chief Minister in his budget speech has also expressed or mentioned a very beautiful couplet which is in Khasi. The meaning in English has also been given by the Honorable Chief Minister that day. But allow me, Mr. Chairman, sir, to tell one incident in my interaction with the people where this amount, why it has to be spent, and the reason to put the requirements in perspective. In one of my interaction with the villagers, I went for a meeting. One of the speaker said, using that same couplet, Baro ubreu bastat, mano bala banlen, la klem dapli Klat kumno ulait mankren. But that gentleman said it with a little modification. He said, Baro ubreu bastat, mano bala banlen, la klem dayo shiklat kumno ulait mankren. I was offended by that speech, just like maybe some members here will also feel offended. I called that speaker to the corner outside the hall. I said, why did you speak like that? I was offended.
Yeah, please translate.
Who cannot understand? Can you also tell it in English?
Yeah.
The same, whatever
The modified
being shared
couplet.
will be enlightened. That couplet was mentioned by the speaker in
the modified one.
The modified one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Garo also.
Baro ubreu bastat mano bala abanlen. Everyone has wisdom. Who can deny that? La klem dayo shiklat kumno ulait mankren. If he does not get one glass, how can he speak? So I was offended during that meeting. I called him outside the Dorba hall.
Shiklat indicates what? You have to specify that also.
That's why I got offended.
No, Shiklat of what? Water or what?
I'm coming to that, sir. I'm coming. I was offended. I called him outside. During a serious meeting, why do you have to speak like that? Then he told me, what did I say? No, you said Shiklat. That's where, doctor, your mind is crooked. You have ill intention. When I say Shiklat, I didn't mean alcohol. That's what he explained to me. Then if you don't mean that, you explain to the meeting. So he said, this couplet, La klem da pli Klat, kumno ulait mankren, we live in a different era, he said. In Khasi, he said, Ni'im haka juk kabatmai, Klat kamwan shu shangi. Opportunities do not come to us, we have to go and search for it. Doors are not open for us, we have to go and knock on doors for opportunities. That is the Shiklat. Shiklat means you have to have the desire. You need to have direction. You need to have motive. You have to need drive. You need to have the drive within you so that you can find the opportunities. They don't come. When my father got his job, he said, he was pulled out from home, come and join the police. He said, no, I don't want to go, but he said, no, you have to come. We have very less manpower. But now, 3,000 posts, 3 lakhs applicants. So let us come to the point. That's beside the point. Here, under this head, yesterday a beautiful budget speech was presented where vision was added, direction was given, and the desire and the drive were indicated by the different results. Under this head, why 11 crores 19 lakhs 81,300 has to be passed today? Because, as the head says, Council of Ministers, Secretariat and General Services. Everybody knows how the CMSDF is spent. Wherever there is a development gap that is being filled up with that. The YES program, where different schemes are being aided, and the elite fellowship scheme. This also is a new way of thinking, new way of providing space to help our eligible people. Now, when we talk about the Chief Minister's Secretariat, Mr. Chairman, sir, if you allow me, ideas just don't come like rain. They have to be thought out properly, they have to be selected, and they have to be vetted. Now, I think if we talk about the different development schemes, how the biggest football stadium dedicated for football has come to Meghalaya, that does not happen just like that. Many people must have given ideas. Many people must have worked. That is why we see here the contractual services, foreign travel expenses, even domestic travel expenses. The office of the Chief Minister maybe sometimes will have to send people to Delhi, go and run around for this scheme, go and arrange a meeting with so-and-so fellow, go and find out the details of the companies that are available in the market, what things can be done for the state. So, the Chief Minister's office should have the wherewithal, rather the ability to spend where it needs to be spent.